Take a look at the following figure. It represents a single pipe with a fluid flowing through this pipe equipped with a control valve. Now, it is important to understand what happens when you activate a control valve. When the valve starts to close, it generates more pressure drop. This causes extra pressure drop along the route, making the route less attractive for flow, so the flow rate decreases too. This means that by partially closing a control valve, the pressure on the downstream side of the control valve is decreased, and the flow of the pipe will be lower as well. It is important to know that even though we say that the control valve on a pipe will decrease pressure and flow, no control valve can drop the pressure to a desired level and at the same time drop the flow rate to a desired level. We can adjust a control valve based only on one of these parameters. We can drop the pressure to a predetermined level, but the amount that the flow rate drops is beyond our control. Likewise, we can drop the flow rate, but the amount by which the pressure decreases is beyond our control. So the question is, where do we place a control valve on a pipe? Or, in other words, where will you find the control valve on a pipe in your P&ID? There is only one rule to remember. If pressure is the parameter that you need to control, you will find a control valve wherever the pressure is changing. And the same applies to flow. If flow is the important parameter, then you will find the control valve wherever the flow is changing.